Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha, and I just want to simply tell you guys why I decided to join Total Life Changes. Now, in the first place, I didn't know anything. I never heard anything about Total Life Changes. Like, I never, ever heard anything about Total Life Changes. So one of my Facebook friends, she sent me a message and she said, Tanisha, I want you to take a look, at this tea. It's all, organic. It has certain herbs in it that can help you go to the bathroom and lose weight. So I joined TLC about 4 years ago, and I was over about 350 pounds. Now, I used to be constipated, and I used to have a lot of bloating issues from my period. And I was like, I needed something. And, I joined, and I got the 4 packs of tea, and I started drinking it. And within 24 hours, I actually went to the bathroom. And I said, I need to do some more research on this tea. Now, before, TLC, Total Life Changes, changed their packaging to purple. It used to be green. It used to be a green pack of tea. Now it's a purple pack of tea. And the NutriBurst bottle used to be white, and now it's orange and purple. So TLC really has evolved, over the last 4 to 5 years that I've been a part of it. Now, with Total Life Changes, I think it's the best health and wellness company on the planet that is paying people 5 ways, and Total Life Changes allows you to become your own customer, so therefore your profits are actually larger. See, I'm a part of this company that allows people to detox and cleanse every single day. My children, they love it. We just came back from Jamaica. And, we ate all this good food, but you still need to detox, eating, foreign food, coming back, to America, you still need a detox. So my husband and my 2 children, it was like, Mom, I need you to make some tea. I need you to make some tea. And I made some tea, and they all was in the bathroom. See, in America, we eat so much processed food, and we eat so much food that is not good for us, that our organs start to break down, that our organs start to not recognize where to put the food and where it needs to go. So with this tea and this NutriBurst, okay, it's tea and the NutriBurst combo together that helps you to detox, cleanse, go to the bathroom, feel good, get all your minerals, get all your, herbs. So here's a NutriBurst right here, okay, 72 minerals, 10 vitamins, 22 phytonutrients, 19 amino acids, 13 whole foods, greens, 12 herbs, which equal 141 reasons why to start drinking NutriBurst. It's 16 fluid ounces, and it lasts actually for an entire month. Okay, now this tea, you actually, if you order on my website, you can actually get a 5-pack of tea. That means you can have it for 5 weeks, or you can, drink some for a month and give some to your spouse or give some to a friend who that needs to actually go to the bathroom and lose weight. In America, guys, we need to do a light detox. This tea is so safe that babies can drink this tea and detox too. Because remember, babies have also parasites and toxins and gook inside of their system because of what their moms are eating. And, when a mom is pregnant, what is she putting into the body? She's putting in parasites. So every single day, guys, we need to do a light detox. And since I've been drinking the tea, I lost over 100 pounds with Total Life Changes. I was a size 22. Now I'm a size 16, and I'm going down. My stomach used to be real bloated. I used to get bloated. Now I get a little bloated, but once I drink the tea, I feel better. But I used to always be bloated. Like, my stomach used to always be hard, for real. Okay, so I'm grateful for Total Life Changes because I had a lot of shit backed up in me. So it's a light detox. So it has blessed thistle, holy thistle, marva leaves, marshmallow, myrrh, chamomile, papaya, ginger, and I know I'm missing one, but blessed thistle is one of the herbs that helps restore and replenish your body. It helps your body to restore itself. Remember, even when I went to Jamaica, a lot of the people that are in Jamaica, they don't really get sick. And if they do get sick, they go to the backyard and find a herb, like literally just cleans them out or makes them feel better. They don't have pharmacies on every corner like Americans do. We got a pharmacy on every corner. We got a doctor's office on every corner, because America is focused on processed foods and really killing their people. right? In the islands, they have all natural, all organic food that you can eat. No one's vegan over there, okay? No one's vegan in Jamaica. No one practices they're going to be vegan and not eating meat, okay? Now, they may be the Rasta guys that's practicing, not eating meat, but most of the people there, they're not practicing not eating meat because the meat is grown from eating grass. And I felt the difference when I ate some steak. I think I ate some steak one night and I went right to the bathroom, and it was a different type of going to the bathroom. And I'm like, this food is so good over here. I wish America had the same type of integrity, okay, to grow food the right way and not genetically modify this food. Everything that we're eating, guys, in America, even though Americans say that it's, it's organic food, guess what? Everything is genetically processed, guys. There's so many people being born in America that the manufacturers can't keep up, so they got to create fake food, right? So this is why we got to put stuff in our body. We also have herbs. We have something called chaga. That's the king of herbs, helps to restore and replenish your body. I'm not making any medical claims, but chaga has literally helped people get off of their medications. The tea also helps people get off of their medications. The NutriBurst has allowed people to get off, of their medication. So these are just testimonials, that I've seen, that people have had, okay? That people have had within Total Life Changes. Now, I absolutely love it, okay? I absolutely love it, okay? And I am on a mission to help more women detox, cleanse, go to the bathroom, have more energy, and feel better. So if you're looking, right, for a health and wellness company and you're into health and wellness and you know a lot of people that need to lose weight, go to the bathroom, feel good, have more energy, and get rid of all the monster drinks and get rid of all the energy pills and use something natural that's going to help your body to grow and replenish and heal itself, you need to be a part of Total Life Changes. I'm building a team in New York City, but I'm building a team, simply online, and we all are losing weight, feeling good, feeling better, about ourselves, and we're having, a challenge where, we're losing, weight. We're drinking 2 cups of tea a day. We're making sure that we're drinking, the NutriBurst. We're making sure we're taking, the NRG and the energy natural pills that the company actually has, guys. So I'm happy that I found Total Life Changes. Like I said, before, I wasn't even into health and wellness. I wasn't even into exercising and eating right and all that stuff. I was just like, all right, whatever happens, happens, right? And I was always tired, always sluggish. Now, guys, I have more energy. I have more clarity. I'm more focused on my health, and I'm allowing my children to also focus on their health, okay? So again, guys, get a part of TLC. If you haven't tried the NutriBurst, go to my website. It'll be a link below. If you want to get involved with TLC, go to workwithtanisha.com. It's a video that you can actually watch, and there's a call that you can actually listen to get more information about Total Life Changes. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, you need a business, right? You need a business, and you need a great business. TLC been around for about 20 years. Okay, you need a great business with natural products that's helping your body actually work the way it needs to without artificial medicines. Okay, so go to workwithtanisha.com. If you want to try the tea and the NutriBurst, guys, you can click, on my website. And if you buy 3 packs from my site, you'll get 2 free. So this is why I joined Total Life Changes, guys. See you soon.